In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on Stripe. This is really useful if you want your customers to see your own branded URL instead of a generic Stripe link when they're checking out or managing their subscriptions. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Stripe dashboard. First, open your Stripe dashboard in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or account where you want to set up the custom domain. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, which is Stripe's shortcuts to the main settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. After clicking the gear, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here, Stripe groups different settings under various sections. Look for the section labeled Business. This is where Stripe stores configuration options related to your brand, customer-facing pages, and other business-level settings. Click on the business option to open it. Inside the business settings, you'll see a range of choices. Some of the most common ones appear first, but for what we want to do, you'll need to expand the additional options. Look for a link or tab that says More and click on that. This will reveal extra settings that are not shown by default. Once you've opened the More section, look for a setting called Custom Domains. This is the place where you can connect your own domain to Stripe-hosted pages, such as checkout or the customer portal. Click on Custom Domains to move to the configuration screen. On the Custom Domains page, you'll see a field where you can enter the domain or subdomain you want to use. Click inside that field and type in the domain exactly as you want customers to see it. For example, you might use something like paymentsyourdomain.com rather than your main root domain. Make sure this is a domain you control, because you'll typically need to verify ownership later through your DNS provider. Double check what you've typed to avoid spelling mistakes or unwanted spaces. When you're happy with the domain you've entered, look for the Add button next to or below the field. Click Add to submit your custom domain to Stripe. After this, Stripe will usually provide instructions or DNS records you need to add at your domain provider to complete verification. Follow those instructions, and once the DNS updates propagate, your custom domain will be active and ready to use with Stripe.